welcome to today's Captain's Blog. It is July 16th, 12:28 hours, and we've got viewer mail. Maybe gold, judging by its weight. Thank you, Daniel Yeager. It's worth more than gold. What? Heather's here. These are headed to the autopsy set. Check it out, 32-piece, extra long security bit set. So when I needed that secure Torx and the tri-wing and all that for the autopsy the other day, that autopsy hasn't even aired yet. That's kind of cool. That's excellent. These are going to video production. We've got other viewer mail that people have been going through. I don't know who opened it. This came in the other day, and I didn't have a chance to check it out. It's got a readme text. I'd love to tell you who sent it, but they taped it shut. Come on. Dear Chris and everyone else at the Geek Group, this is also from Daniel Yeager, Daniel D. Yeager. Sorry it's taken me so long to get these boxes out the door, but life happens and I got caught in the crossfire. In this box you'll find a 19-inch LCD touch panel. I think it might even be multi-touch, but I didn't have any way of verifying this. A 58 vintage 200 to 2 current transformer. Label says it's for 400 Hz system, but I don't see any reason why it won't work for 60. You need to take some more lessons in transformer theory and you'll learn why. That's actually something that Kidwell and I should do a video on. Some transformers will work at different frequencies, but it only goes one way, not the other, and there's limitations to it. Honkin' fat transformer for 1300 VA UPS, 120 to 12. Want to build a hefty 12-volt PSU? This is your toy. Actually, do need to do that. The mechanics and electronics from a plotter stand, a Wi-Fi detector, a non-functional P4 CPU, an organizer full of various tubular glass fuses, portable HP inkjet of unknown functionality, 2 IEC power input sockets, a built-in fixturing, a twist lock plug, a GPS that no longer seems to work right, replacement bike cables, an inaccurate multimeter that'd be perfect for testing the peak current from Thumper. That's a good idea. Heathkit Electronics Experimenter's kit that should still be mostly functional. Linksys router with built-in VoIP, was Vonage, but I rooted it. A 1.5 farad capacitor, car audio unit, only good to about 15 volts before it starts making interesting noises. What interesting noises were you making with this capacitor? Seal's intact. It's from Diesel Audio. Alright, well there's all kinds of interesting stuff in here that'll need going through. I'm going to leave this note with it because it's important when people go through this that they note that that multimeter is dead and destined for Thumper. Oh wow, that's cool. That's really neat. That's headed straight to robotics. That's going to be a fun time. There's some neat goodies. Well, thank you, Mr. Yeager. What the hell are you doing? Why are you so... Oh, yeah. Cool. All right. All kinds of fun. Thank you, sir. You guys have fun. We'll have more as it happens.
Let's go in front of the lake.
What you doing, Moose?
I'm bringing efficiency and order to my universe.
Yeah?
I'm trying. You'll notice that there's a big hole over here.
There is. What's going to go in the hole?
Everything that's currently spewed. But it's going to go in an orderly and efficient manner.
On the new
shelf
shelves?
here, yep. That'll be hardwood.
Shelf just for hardwood.
Yay!
Yay! And then a shelf just for dimensional lumber.
Cool.
Shelves just for plastic, shelves just for metal.
Woo!
Organization.
This is like OCD orgy back here, isn't it?
CDO.
Yeah? Okay.
So OCD, the letters.
Yeah.
You don't know how hard we've had it over here.
Oh, I know. It's
Everybody's like, where's this thing? And it takes 3 people 20 minutes, and maybe we find it. Now we can find it.
Okay.
All right, I need some of the 2x10s.
So what's this shelf going to be for?
This shelf is going to be plastic.
Okay.
And then all of this is also going down here. You can easily fit both shelves with the plastic on one.
If it's simply organized.
Yes.
This has been like this since we've moved from Kalamazoo, and it was mostly we need to get it out of the Gaylord onto a shelf,
Yep.
which has been most of our projects for the past few weeks. We're reorganizing stuff.
Going from just getting it unpacked from the initial move-in to actually getting it organized and sorted and stuff.
Bruce was working on the electronics lab doing that.
I mean, this was certainly a step up from fishing it out of the bottom of the Gaylord.
Right.
Alright, can you take these pieces of plywood? They are trash. I like this.
That was Moose's first attempt at fourth axis cutting.
Oh, okay.
That was a Buddha.
Okay.
It would have worked if we had better software.
Oh.
Yes. I was just seeing how hard at work you were.
Jumping cameras.
Yeah.
I just finished.
Well,
Finished red.
so we shot a lot of video today. We did the another reel-to-reel video. We did a thing on multi-track recording. It was really bad. It was really, really simple multi-track recording, but it was fun. It was cool. It's the first time I've done multi-track recording on analog in a long time. But here's a setup from today's shoot. I got to do an autopsy on a cassette tape, which I'm sure we have one in stock. I really want to find, there was a form of cassette tape that existed before like modern day cassette tape, like what everybody's used to. It used 1/4 inch wide tape, and they were really big. They were like twice the size in every dimension. If anybody out there has one, they haven't made them since like '64, but if anybody's got one out there, I'm really desperately interested in one. I really wish I could find a regular cassette tape. We got big U-matic, VHS, high 8. We're gonna need the I need more high 8 video cassettes for the D88s. 10,000 different pieces of media on a Pono cassette tape. There's a whole stack of U-matics. And betas. I got betas to hell. I want to have betas. Broadcast beta. But I need a cassette. Alright. I'm going to keep hunting. You guys have fun. We'll be back. Moose!
Hi!
This looks awesome!
It does. I'm very excited.
Alright, so what's going up?
Let me show you over here. See all this plastic?
Yes.
It took up the entire pallet rack before.
Okay.
It takes
And
up,
now it's much better organized.
it's a shelf, sorted by size.
Okay.
And we started to put the dimensional number up, and I have my new hardwood shelf in place.
This is the hardwoods shelf?
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
I'm very excited.
Dog's happy about it.
She's been helping.
Well, she's a helper. Aren't you? You a helper?
Very good at sorting lumber.
This is cool.
Yeah.
We so desperately need more shelves.
Yes.
But it's a start.
It's a start. It'll be cool. This whole bottom is going to get filled with maple.
From that maple. Okay.
Which was this maple.
Are you going to dig out the sheet router? Or the plasma cutter anytime soon?
Maybe.
Okay. That'd be kind of cool, maybe. Have the plasma cutter out.
Maybe if they make it work.
Well, maybe if you dig it out, people will be able to make it work, because it's kind of hard to do it at the bottom of a pile of lumber. What the hell is that? Oh, okay.
It's my tree.
There's a tree in there.
It's a birch tree.
Okay. What's Aaron doing? You're about to lose fingers.
Yeah, it happens. They
No,
grow back.
no. I want to show you something. Look, there's see the mark here with the hand?
Yeah.
With the circle through it?
Yeah, I was just
It
positioning.
means don't put your hand there. Your hand has to be outside this line.
Yeah, I was just trying to position it.
Okay. I worry about you. You're delicate.
I know how to run these things, Chris.
Says the guy who still has 10 fingers.
Yeah.
For now. So what are you making?
I'm not sure. Moose asked me.
Oh,
I was like,
Moose.
I always use that wood in very small lengths.
Okay.
And it was super long, so I just cut it shorter for the shelf.
Okay. What are you up to?
No.
Of course there's not. I'm making posts on the bottom shelf so we can stack up the long stock really high and it won't fall on anyone.
Oh.
So I'm doing like what they do at hardware stores, just
With the
taking some
too
piece
big-
of pipe. You know,
Did you like drill holes in the...
about to drill holes into the bottom of that and just put 2 big pieces of pipe.
Okay.
That's what they do at the hardware
Yeah,
store.
just don't do it in like the pallet racks.
No, it's just on the bottom shelf of the new shelf we just got.
Okay, that's fine.
That's
That's
what
not
we're
built like
doing.
a pallet rack. Okay.
Yeah.
And Amy's here. What's up?
I just walked in.
Just one. Well, you gotta pet the dog. Can I help you?
I need to find a drill.
You gotta poke me in the ass with
yeah.
the thing?
Yeah. Clear your colon.
That's assault. It's assault. I ain't having it. Radar. What you building?
Building a hanger for the power cords we have down in IT. This is going to go on the
Do they
pegboard
loop around or do they go through?
right through. The
How
hook's
many?
going to
Like,
hang about
you're
6 of
gonna
them.
have- Okay.
Yep. It's going to hang about 7 feet off the ground, and it's going to hang about 1.5 meter cables, if I remember right.
Okay.
We should be able to hang about 120 of them all together when I'm done with this.
And you brought a cute little toy welder.
Yeah.
Cool.
Excellent booger welds.
We need people to donate stuff like this. We don't own a welder.
Yeah. It would
I got a plasma cutter that you can land aircraft on, but we don't have a basic welder.
Right, exactly. We'll be able to build all the shelving we need and a whole lot of other things.
Yeah.
From scrap.
And
essentially.
shelving is definitely a ferocious need.
Exactly. And this is actually built from scrap. This used to be hanging a ceiling at one point.
Oh, that's the extra
Yes.
thumper food stuff? Cool. So this was ceiling hanger, then thumper food, and now it's shelving rack.
Yep.
What? What? Whiny dog, what do you want? Whiny dog. Whiny dog. You wanna go home or something? What do you want? You wanna go outside? You gotta pee? What do you want? What do you want? You wanna go home? Dog says it's time to go home. Okay. Get in the car. Alright. You guys have fun? We'll be back tomorrow.
Here at the Geek Group, we've invented a new fundraising strategy. You can now purchase impressively tiny coins we've compressed using high-energy magnetism. We induce a current pulse of 100,000 amps into a copper wire coiled around a golden dollar, dime, or quarter, producing very powerful opposing magnetic fields that compress a quarter to the diameter of a dime, which you then receive in a lovely commemorative package along with the satisfaction that can only come from helping the Geek Group build our endowment, which in turn will allow us to put membership fees, donations, and sponsorships towards furthering the organization rather than just maintaining it. Carry a lightning bolt in your pocket, available at thegeekgroup.org.
I learned how to run a machine shop.
Set up an enterprise-level server.
Program 9-foot robots.
Make lightning!
Edit video.
I'm building a radio station.
Light bulb terrarium.
A high-performance electric car.
I'm a CNC geek.
Computer geek!
Robot geek.
Physics geek!
AV geek.
I'm a radio geek.
Craft geek.
Car buff.
No matter what kind of geek you are, we've got a place for you here at the Geek Group. Come join us. We build awesome.